Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Cullum Costello, and in this video we'll be looking at some cybersecurity stocks that I have on my watch list. We'll take a look at a recent article, and then we'll look at these stocks and the stock charts to see how they've been behaving lately. Please keep in mind that the stock market is very risky, so don't invest any money that you're not willing to lose, and as always, do your own research. Now let's get into the video. Cybersecurity stocks could see huge growth as the crisis with Russia and Ukraine spurs more cyber attacks. Experts and politicians have been warning Americans about the increasing threat of cybersecurity attacks from Russia as of late. In turn, some analysts have been very bullish on the sector's economic prospects in the near future. We're going to continue this brief read, but please note that I have provided timestamps below if you'd like to just get to the cybersecurity stocks that I'm interested in. While you're down there, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. It helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. We're a young channel and we're trying to grow, and that'll help other investors learn about these stocks. Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives reiterated his positive position concerning the cybersecurity sector on March 18th, saying it is clear the cloud digital transformation, coupled with sophisticated attacks by bad actors, is fueling a golden age for the cybersecurity sector.
I love gold!
We also believe a marked increase in cyber threats has been detected in the field, with the industry on red alert with this Russia cyber warfare underway, he said in a note sent to Go Banking Rates. I've said that Wedbush recently did another round of cybersecurity checks with enterprise CISOs, contacts in the Beltway and Tel Aviv, and partner/channel conversations to gauge the level of spending in this environment. Said checks revealed that threat levels are increasing across the board and thus catalyzing some eye-popping spending and budgets in the field.
Today, Junior?
The cybersecurity industry's leading players, including Palo Alto, Zscaler, CrowdStrike, SentinelOne, Checkpoint, CyberArk, and Tenable, have been on the front lines of proactively guarding enterprises and governments from Russian cyber attacks. Thus far, these entities and others have been very successful in dealing with the cybersecurity concerns that have sprung up alongside the invasion of Ukraine. Now that we're through with the article, we're going to take a look at a few stocks that I'm interested in the cybersecurity space. The first stock we're going to talk about is ticker symbol SPCB for Supercom. But first, you guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. It's free, and all you're going to do is learn about more ways to make money.
Just do it!
Now back to the video. Since 1988, Supercom has been a global provider of electronic security solutions to governments worldwide, with a current focus on offender electronic monitoring services. Supercom trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SPCB, with a $1 billion annual trading volume in 2021 and 19% insider ownership, which is not too shabby in my opinion. Supercom has invested over $30 million in research and development since 2014. With a positive EBITDA in the forward year 2020 to 2021 Q1 to Q3, or earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. SPCB has also seen 83% recurring revenue.
No way! That's great!
SPCB or Supercom has a track record of 50-plus government customers with 100,000-plus individuals served. Supercom has been issued 119 patents and has also been under new management since February of 2021. Now that we've learned a little bit about Supercom, we're going to jump on over to Yahoo Finance under ticker symbol SPCB for Supercom stock and see what it's trading at the time of this video. If you haven't already, leave me a comment in the comments section down below. Let me know what you think of these cybersecurity stocks, or let me know if there's another stock that I should put on my watch list. Here we are on Yahoo Finance under ticker symbol SPCB for Supercom stock. We can see that Supercom is trading just over 55 cents with a market cap of $18.439 million. Now let's look at the share structure, and then we'll check out the stock charts to see how it's been trading. We can see that Supercom has 31.37 million shares outstanding, with a float of 20.52 million, and 12.85% of the stock is held by insiders. Here we are on the 6-month, 1-day candlestick chart for Supercom or Spcb stock. So each of these candles would represent how the stock traded in 1 day. Spcb stock has been trading in a sideways channel as of late, with a floor around 43 cents and it's finding resistance just around 67 cents. So these are the areas that I would pay attention to. If we can break through 67 cents, then I'd look for that resistance level to become support and the stock to move to the upside. Now that we're through talking about Supercom, the next stock we're going to talk about is Guardforce AI Company, ticker symbol GFAI. If you're looking for a platform to trade on, I use E-Trade, it's just a personal preference, and I'll provide a link in the description down below if you're interested. Guardforce AI, the future of integrated security solutions. Guardforce AI is a leading integrated security solutions provider trusted to protect and transport the high-value assets of public and private sector organizations. Developing and introducing innovative technologies that enhance safety and protection. Guardforce AI helps clients adopt new technologies and operate safely as the Asia-Pacific business landscape evolves. GFAI stock has recently seen a little pop in share price. If you got in before that pop, leave me a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what price you got in on. Now let's jump on over to Yahoo Finance and see what it's trading at the time of this video. Here we are under ticker symbol GFAI for Guardforce AI stock. We look down below, we can see that Guardforce is trading at a market cap of 32.616 million. Now let's check out the share structure for GFAI stock. We can see that Guardforce has 29.12 million shares outstanding with a float of 9.43 million and 52.08% held by insiders. Now we're going to take a look at the candlestick charts for Guardforce or GFAI stock to see how it's been performing lately. Here we are on the 6-month, 1-day candlestick chart for Guardforce AI stock, ticker symbol GFAI. One thing I'll be paying attention to for GFAI stock is that little gap you can see right there, which is from about 56.5 cents up to 68 cents. GFAI stock has been on a nice little run lately, breaking through a couple resistance levels, one being that gap up, the second one being at around $1.02, which is that yellow line, and hitting resistance at about $1.35. So I'll be watching all these levels when we break out of this recent little triangle pattern. If we would break to the downside, I'll be watching for that gap fill, and if we break to the upside, I'll be watching that level of $1.35. The last stock we'll be talking about is Irnt, ticker symbol IRNT. If you're a holder of any of these stocks, you should be hitting that thumbs up button down below to help other traders and investors learn about your stock. Now let's learn more about Irnt. Irnt is a global cybersecurity leader that is transforming how organizations secure their networks by delivering the first ever collective defense platform operating at scale. Employing a high number of former NSA cybersecurity operators with offensive and defensive cyber experience, Irnt integrates deep tradecraft knowledge into its industry-leading products to solve the most challenging cyber problems facing the world today. Now that we've got a brief overview of what Irnt does, let's jump on over to Yahoo Finance to see what the stock is trading at the time of this video. Here we are on Yahoo Finance under ticker symbol IRNT for Irnt Incorporated. We can see that Irnt stock is trading right now at $4. Irnt has a market cap of $383.494 million. Now let's check out the share structure. We can see that Irnt stock has 88.72 million shares outstanding, with a float of 28.63 million, and 35.19% of the stock is held by insiders. Now we're going to look at the stock charts to see how IRNT stock has been performing lately. If you're involved in IRNT stock, let me know what your average price is in the comment section down below. Here's the 6-month, 1-day candlestick chart for IRNT stock. IRNT stock traded over $47 at one point to be chopped all the way down to around $2.65. Irnt stock has gapped down a couple times and previously popped up to try and fill the last gap, which was $6.24 to about $5.47. Right now, Irnt seems to be trying to hold support just around $3.58. So I'll be watching that level as level of support to see what it does there, and I'll also be watching for that previous level of $6.24 to be a level of resistance. If IRNT stock can break that level at $6.24, I'll look for that to become a level of support. Alright you guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I want to thank you so much if you stayed to the end. Now do me a favor and leave me a comment in the comments section down below. I love hearing from each and every one of you, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Till next time, I'm Cullum Costello. Now hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.